Tēnā mai koutou, ko Cassidy air. I am Cassidy.
And mō rātou Winton School, ko Carlie ahau. I am Carlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news, Rapana the 17th of February.
Okay, let's start with ki tipu o te wiki. This week's word is kainga, which is te rere for home.
As kainga kia ahau. I am home.
Kainga, which is te rere for home.
On to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 to 4.
So make sure you're wearing your potae and your sun smart after school too, koutou. Kia ora.
And a message for the students in room 10. Please leave the UV index arrow alone. That job has been taken.
Hi VIZ Vests. Most students have been wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Year 5 to 8 are allowed over the road to play at intervals.
Make sure you cross Eglinton Street pedestrian crossing correctly.
Now, if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below. Whoa, there's a lot of words down
Hurry
here.
up, get up. It's time to do the news. Touch news. What? Sports news. A big kia ora to all the students returning equipment to the trolleys. Ka pai.
Touch news. Winton Wombles, you have a practice at playtime. Please meet on the library steps. Kia ora.
One birthday at Winton School today. Archie Bryan is turning the big 10.
Happy birthday, Archie. And I hear there's a sneaky birthday down at the junior block too.
Rafano kia koutou.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, Kari, Kaiti, Apupu. See you tomorrow.
Howdy, Winton School, and stay sharp.